And yes, I'm back in Darjeeling, my home. Oh my God, feels so good to be home. So घर आ चुके हैं और आज है next day और हम लोग जा रहे हैं देखने. What are we watching today?
सितारे ज़मीन पर.
Yes. Actually, no, I really wanted to take Thela, my niece, for this movie because this movie is about what do you say? क्या बोलते हैं? Gifted kids, you know. So she's also a gifted kid, you know. She's I think the lucky charm of our family. So I wanted to show her, you know, कि उसके वर्ल्ड में कैसा होता है. Please don't think that I'm being mean or something, you know. It's not that. Because I don't think वो मिली है अपने जैसे किसी से ना. जैसे she's Down syndrome. She has Down syndrome, okay. But she's such a sweet and lovable child. So ever since this movie was announced, I wanted to take Thela. And फिर उसके बाद हम उसके लिए चले गए. Then I couldn't. So today I decided आज मैं लेके जाऊँगी. And with that Yongla is coming. And actually I wanted to take the kids, only kids, you know. फिर Yongla mama is also saying she'll join. So she's also coming. So इसलिए हम लोग जा रहे हैं आज सितारे ज़मीन पर देखने. I hope she likes the movie. I hope she can take something good from the movie, ना कुछ अच्छा ले सके. अच्छा हाँ ऐसा भी कर सकते हैं, you know. I'm capable of doing that also करके. I don't know मैं क्या चाहती हूँ, you know. But I wanted to see the movie. That's it.
Mama.
Yongla is come.
So after so long we met though.
Kawa, Ajizela. Ajizela is here. Ajizela. Ajizela excited. Want to be tired? Sitare Zabin par. She's so excited to meet Shipu. Shipu laga Germany. Oh, we all are going for the movie. Oh, I hope this movie is good. बहुत रिव्यू अच्छा है ना. Thela. Thela lang ang muna siya ngayon lakiya ba? Yang nga to yak jogo chungsa. Nga movie di na Thela lating eh di ba pe? Di na la Down syndrome din so yori ni. Kung to kanti sa mo tigiri. Kada kiram yak po yun movie. I think Thela will like this movie. Cinemas. Okay, going in. La. Well, how's the movie?
Dummy.
Kanda thong's picture, baby. Kids Shibu. Kanda thong's. Yongla, how's the movie? Ajila kanda thong's. Good. You like it? Do, sure. Let's go. Interval. चलो कुछ खाते हैं. Then we'll come back and finish the movie. Okay, so we just ordered for snacks. Snacks कुछ ज़्यादा ही हो गया तो उन्होंने बोला order अंदर लेके आएंगे. So we're going. Oh, Miss. This is also come. How are you?
Fine, thank you.
Yeah. That's okay. Nachos mindu ani popcorn lain lo. Popcorn khini hu. Thela picture khande thongs la da thanda batu. Kaisa?
The scent of my success.
Hi, Mom.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine.
Picture finish. Aja Sela. Aja Sela picture kan dito. How was the movie?
Good.
Who is your favorite character name? So Mangshogas.
Motiwala.
Motewala. Coming khare Gutu.
Gudu.
हाँ गुड्डू छल्ला को गुड्डू सबसे ज़्यादा पसंद आया उसने चूहा को बचाया ना इसलिए
I love Gudu.
हाँ
I love Gudu.
गुड्डू is Stella's favorite character
Captain is Isabella.
हाँ
Captain is Isabella.
who is Shepenla
My brother.
ए क्यों गुल्लू मारे गुल्लू फोमोजी फोमोजी मारे के
Gudu.
आयो यार मजा आया पिक्चर अच्छा बिंदु कैसा लगा पिक्चर चला को भी पसंद आया सितारे जमीन पर चला का वीआर देखने का मन है बोल रहे हैं she wants to watch something horror I really wanted to take Stella out, no, for a long time. Time नहीं मिला बच्चों का studies उस सब की वजह से ना. I'm very happy she's out today with me.
Welcome to Brooklyn United World. Please sit down, fasten your seatbelt, put on your helmet, and look ahead. The game will start.
And they are playing air hockey. Yung la 같이 게. 아? 같이 매. 같이 매, 같이 매. 셀라. 네. 맞다 라사. 시서. और की देखूं तो उनसा ताकि में अच्छा सेला को इतना डर लग गया ना तो आधा ये खिजुनला खेल रहा है देख रहा है इट्स हॉरर शेगी मिंदा खिजो अच्छा सेला 제 같이 같이 게
다 저거 말해. 다 줘. 애매도.
아직 비트 줄게 말
파길라.
가이 아자 셀라 티줄라사 Flurries has open. It's not opened, I think. Flurries. कहिले खोल्छु भनेको थियो अब इतना भी भीड़ नहीं है I think season is down now. Oh, NC7 this good. Hello, Joshi Dele. This should. Ama back color da. De Allah suda. La meto khamla. Thank you. NC7 no. NC7 is holding the fortress. Where's Pala? They've not come. Your friend is helping. Very good. Walk. La. Bye. Come for a walk, like. Okay, it's looking very nice, Chaurasta. But बहुत कम हो गया है लोग. Tourists is jamming here. Very nice. This is the evening view. Young and kids and are playing. Hey, कितना बढ़िया व्यू है, इवनिंग व्यू. इसीलिए शिपिन ला तो गए, उन लोगों ने बोला उनको नहीं आना है ना चौरास्ता, तो हम लोग आ गए. तो वॉक पे आए हैं. सच अ ब्यूटीफुल वेदर. और यहाँ पे बिल्कुल लाइव म्यूजिक हो रहा है ना. टूरिस्ट लोग एंजॉय कर रहे हैं. अच्छा लग रहा है. एवरीवन इज एंजॉयिंग. हम भी एंजॉय कर रहे इधर.
हम जुदा हो जाए ऐसा मुमकिन नहीं. धूप हो तुम मेरी चांदनी ओढ़नी. तुम हो तो रोशन है दिल का जहां. साया भी जिस्म से होता है क्या जुदा. जितनी भी जोर की हो आंधियां. खास आंखें तेरी सब बयां कर रही. सुन रहा दिल तेरी खामोशियां. कुछ कहो ना सुनो पास मेरे रहो. इश्क की कैसी है ये गहराइयां. साया भी जिस्म से होता है क्या जुदा. जितनी भी जोर की हो आंधियां. सब बयां कर रही. सुन रहा दिल तेरी खामोशियां.
Stella is happy? Happy. She said Shibana is not there, right?
Yes.
She only wants Shepu.
I'm the in. Yibu.
She's a bad sister. She only likes Shepu. She doesn't like Kitsu and Nishu. Hi?
Yeah.
Yes, let's see. Ajay, Yongla, what do you want?
Which one?
Harsage.
What? Mama, I want this.
Yongla harsage la.
I want Japanese.
Di maurang sage. Ah.
Mama, I want this Japanese.
No.
Why?
Ito Shibu Yongla kunto aji. Kyo dirang sa roll rang sa.
Red velvet trunk.
Hajin. Yo duita pack gardenus na la didi. Yo red velvet. Do. Ani ketula kharsa re. Isko. Oh, this is cream roll. Ah.
I need that foam. No. I need that foam.
La, there's no cream roll.
No.
So this is didi. Put 3 cream rolls. Ajazala khali khash. Ajazala is tired. Cake yo didi. Ni re yongla kumsa. Ni kyo utisco. Pack cho. Show kitna. अच्छा पिंडो खाई संग में आज पिंडो Excuse me. प्याक गरिदिनुहोस् ल सबै
दिदी
सब्सक्राइबर मिल गई अन्त मन पर्छ ब्लग थ्याङ्क यू फर यर सपोर्ट ए हो
एकदमै राम्रो लाग्छ
थ्याङ्क यू ल हेरिदिनुहोस् है ल सपोर्ट गरिदिनुहोस् हाम्रो दिदीहरू थ्याङ्क यू ल चलो लेट्स गो खाछिस् त यहाँ ए लेट्स गो
Mama, beautiful and
met my subscriber
happy.
yeah happy of course
बाय ल
La Gisela, bye. Did you enjoy today?
Yes. Papa.
We'll go again. Okay, next time.
Okay.
Next time I'll take Chela to KFC.
Yes.
哎，开始眼睛你再多说。
对，了，用了，bye. 了，你接了图过你过你了。啊，这个 next time money 去过了 KFC. 我肉过去。
来呢，因为不可能。
Bye.